show the delocalization of the positive charge on the benzylic carbon. So that there is a benzylic carbon because it's a carbon atom that is alpha to a benzene ring. Alright, so that pi bond there could move between that carbon and that carbon, and so you form a second resonance form, and that would be, alright, since you are forming a second bond there, you have a double bond carbon with 2 H's. So now you have 4 bonds to that carbon, and you only have an H here. That means that the plus charge has moved to that carbon. Alright, next. So what happens, yeah, you have a plus charge there, so that there double bond could help out in stabilizing that plus charge. It would move from that position to between that carbon and that carbon, so a third resonance form would be H, H. You now have a double bond there, so the plus charge has moved to that carbon. Next, so that bond there could help out in stabilizing the plus charge, so it would move from that position to between this carbon and this carbon, so another resonance form would be H, H, and so now the plus charge is at that carbon. Next, so you have a plus charge there, so one of those 2 bonds could help out in stabilizing the plus charge, so that it will move from that position to between that carbon and that carbon. And finally, you go back to your original location of the positive charge, which is at that carbon.